Okay, now that we have drawn up our exterior walls, we're going to go and do the interior walls. Now we go to the wall again, and this time we're going to take in the 5-inch wall, because the interior wall is going to be 5-inch wall, as you can remember. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, select this particular point, and then go all the way up. Don't worry about the wall locations right now, because we will be able to change the wall locations, and everything else is going to automatically adapt to that. Now press on escape to let go of that. Now we're just placing the walls where we think they're supposed to be, and later on we're going to fix the dimensions, and you have your house plan project dimension detailed drawing, so you can use those dimension values to edit in the dimensions later, and we're going to see all of that happening here. Okay, so now there's supposed to be another wall coming from there to there somewhere, right? So we're placing that wall, and up next we have another wall coming there to somewhere there, and it goes all the way, let's say, up to there. Press on escape, and then again we start another wall from, let's say, there to there. So those are all the interior walls that we have in the plan. Now we're just going to fix up the dimension of the interior walls. So to do that, we're going to select the walls, to select the wall, and you can see the dimensions showing here. So the dimension from this side of the wall to this side of this wall is 3912, and if you look at our project dimensions, the dimension is correct, so we don't have to edit that out. Now we just select this thing, and we see that the dimensions are not okay, so we're going to fix the dimensions. So this dimension is going to be 4267, so 4267, hit on enter. Now you can see that both of the dimensions now have been fixed here. Okay, so this is 4267 from there to there, there to there, and then from here to this location we have 4521. Okay, all right, so we will leave it at that. And now we're going to come right over here, select this particular wall, and we can see the dimension here. It's going to be 4689, so we change it to 4689 and then hit enter. There you go, that's done. Now we select this wall, and we're going to see the distance. So the distance is going to be, okay, all right, so the distance is from here, the distance is going to be 3113, so 3113, hit enter. So now we have 3113 right over there. Now we move over here, and we're going to select this particular wall and see the distance from there to there. So the distance is supposed to be, this particular distance is supposed to be 1931, so we'll go with 1931 and then hit enter. Okay, so that's that, and it now has been fixed. Again, let's see this, 2944. Okay, and here, okay. All right, so we have now fixed the interior wall locations as well, and the interior wall dimensions as well. If you go to the 3D view, you can see the interior walls as well as the exterior walls there. Okay, so let's leave it at that, and up next we're going to be placing the doors and the windows to our plan. Okay, so that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got to learn something new.